So, hello students, in this class we are going to discuss about the topic is OOP concept in JavaScript. So, that is the word OOP is very familiar to us if you are studying in the computer science group. So, it's also this concept is placed in Python, Java, there are various different types of programs using in this OOP concept. So, first of all, in our yesterday topic, we see about that Ajax concept in the JavaScript. So once again recall it. Ajax is nothing but it is used to reload that page without we click the reload. So this Ajax is widely used in this nowadays. So here today we are going to discuss about the topic is OOP. So let me explain first of all what is OOP. So, OOP is nothing but it is a computer program model. Then it organizes software design around the data or objects, or rather than the functions and its logics also. So then this OOP is inherent with some of the basic principles, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction, and also some others principles are used in the OOP concept, but these four concepts is most important principles in OOP concept. So what is that? Or encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. So let me explain it in depth. First of all, what is encapsulation? The encapsulation is nothing but it's used to encapsulate the properly, and this method is within the object and provide a way to hide the internal details of an object by encapsulating. So that is means that is only shows the necessary things in this OOP concept. So then inheritance is nothing but it supports a prototype based inheritance. So it is inheritance property and a method to form other objects. So then polymorphism. Polymorphism is it's one of the concept in this. So it is allows the object with different classes and treat that object as a common base class. So then the abstraction. So abstraction means nothing but it in single word it should be defined as a context of OOP. So okay, let me explain it with an example so you can understand that OOP concept used in JavaScript. So here I open my script.js file. Inside that I write a simple program. So first of all, OOP concept is it's similar to the object concept. So in this OOP concept, the object will be used in that. That is, first of all, we declare a function. That function name is person. So this person has two parameters. One is name and the other one is age. So in the object, the syntax is open the curly braces. So the syntax of the object is inside the curly braces we input the values at the key value per format. So here the key value per format will be declared. So now this dot name is equal to name, then this dot age is equal to age. So this word is nothing but once again. Okay, this word is nothing but it is a keyword that assigns the value of the properties. So here, so then the person object is prototype, say hello, then the function will be called. So that means we need to add a method that is say hello to the person prototype. So this means this all the instance, that means that is many dynamic names and the dynamic ages will display, but defaultly the hello text will be entered in that. So here I call this function. So inside that I console log, that means hello, my name is. So this dollar symbol So here we see that small dollar symbol. You also declare this line instead of console log. So okay, I will change it in this. So dollar in is here. We also write it in this format. So that is console log hello, then plus name. So plus and I am. So this is our old method to declare that text will be displayed. So here I don't use that plus symbol to declare that. Instead of using that dollar symbol, because this dollar symbol is a dynamic variable. It declares the dynamic variable by using this dollar symbol. That means I entered various different types of names in it, so it can be a dynamically, not a static condition. So here I use this dollar symbol to represent that. So dollar symbol, that then inside this curly braces my object will be placed in this. So this dot name, that means this is a keyword to assign the value. So this name means what the name given as an input that will be shown in that. So and I am, so and dollar this dot age. So this also means I also entered the dynamic ages for each person. So here I use this dollar symbol inside this dot age. So this dot age means it receives the input which I have insert. So years old, that's all. So now const person 1 is equal to new person. So here the name and age. So here I use the const because I don't need to change that name. If you don't need to name that at const, you also use let to declare the variable. So here person 1, I name that object as person. So here I name the first person as person 1. It is a new person, so new person. So this means it creates a new object. So inside that I enter the name and age. So inside this parameter you can see I entered that name and age. So here I name that person as John and 30. Then I create a second person. It is also a new person. So his name is Jan and age is 25. So now if I don't write this lines, this code will be does not exist. This will throw the error because, so I will show that. Now I run this code. So here you can see I run this code, but is none of the values are displayed as an output. That means the problem is I don't call that function to perform in it. So here, okay, now I call that function, that is person 1. Say hello is my function. So it was declared in it. So say hello, that function, say hello, that function person 2. So now execute this program, you can see, hello, my name is John and I am 30 years old. Then hello, my name is Jan and I am 25 years old. So the two values are displayed in it. So here, this is the simple method by using the OP concept. So by using this dollar symbol, we can make it as a dynamic values in as an input. So here I also entered another name, that is named as person3 is equal to, so it's a new person, so new person. So inside that, say age is 20. So now I also call the function in it, so that is person3 dot say hello. So now you can see, hello, my name is Sam and I am 20 years old. This text will be added dynamically at the runtime. So I hope this is very simple and useful program. So in this, the OP concept will be used. So here I also give an example to you. What is encapsulation? So I explained that the types are included in this OP concept is what is that are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. So let me explain. The encapsulation is nothing but if the all variables are inside the object is called encapsulation. So okay, let me explain. That is, I create a name, that let name is equal to Sam. Then let age is equal to 30. So below that, I also open that let person is equal to, inside this I create a curly braces. That means, so now I create an object inside that. So here let person, inside this curly braces, I name that as name as Sam. So this is the encapsulation method. By using this encapsulation method, you can create an object inside that object. So it is also a nested loop method. So that's all. Now we are going to know about the uses of OP concept in JavaScript. So previously I said that OP concept is basically used in the various different kinds of programming languages. So in JavaScript, this OP concept is used to provide the way to structure and organize the code by using the object, class and inheritance. That means previously we see in the code, that is I create the object inside the object and I get the value as dynamically. So here, but it was a simple way to implement and it was very easy to read and access the code. So here, this is the main reason of the OP concept used in JavaScript. So okay, that's all students. In the advanced level, we can see the topic as Ajax, DOM, JSON. Then now we are seeing about the OP concept. So these are the important topics in JavaScript advanced level. So in the next video, we are going to solve the interview repeated asked questions for our career. Then thank you students.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!